Well, howdy. So today we're going to go ahead and try to see if we can answer this question about the three-card system here at the bottom. Which dot, the green, the red, or the blue, is the closest to the center of mass of the three-card system? I don't know. Hopefully you have an idea of that, but let's go ahead and take a look and see how that would be answered. So what you have here is you have a three-card system, 100 grams at 20 centimeters, 200 grams at 30 centimeters, and 300 grams at 40 centimeters. Um, the distances don't have to be meters and in kilograms as long as you keep them the same. Um, you know, and and you're not like comparing centimeters and meters and grams and kilograms in the same situation. You're going to come out with the right answer. So let's go ahead and take a look. The equation actually it's a pretty simple equation. It says that the distance, which is the center of mass, is going to be equal to kind of this ratio of the sums of all the masses at their respective distances divided by the sums of all the masses. Gives you kind of like this mass distance ratio. And so the way we do this is we would say I've got 100 grams at 20 centimeters, and then I also have 200 grams at 30 centimeters. And then finally, I have 300 grams at 40 centimeters. And this is all over 100 grams plus 200 grams plus 300 grams. And so pretty easy math here. So we've got, what is that, 2,000 plus 6,000 plus 12,000. I probably should just do that. 2,000 plus 6,000 plus 12,000 equals. Did I do something? Yeah, I did something different. 20,000 is the total on top. And on the bottom, it's 500, 600. Divide by 600. And so if you did the units, it would come out to centimeters. But so that's 20,000 divided by 600. And you get 33.33. And this would come out to centimeters. And so the closest one would be the blue. And I think that makes sense. The heavier, the weight is more toward the right. If they were all equal masses, it'd be really super easy. If they were all equal masses, you could do the math and it would come out to 30. Let's say they were all 100 grams or all 200 grams or all 300 grams, and you did the exact same equation, it should come out to 30 centimeters each time. Because the center of mass would be exactly between them because they're equal masses. So, anyways, that is a skill that is not actually that difficult in the order of difficulty, but it's something that you're going to definitely need to know. So, try the MyAP quiz, and hopefully you'll be able to do that with not a lot of problem.